In this video, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at the Bosch SHE53CE5 model dishwasher. This is the 300 series from Bosch, and we'll start off on the outside here. It does come in a stainless steel finish. And here we have the control panel. We've got a power button that we can also hold down for 4 seconds to reset. Then we've got heavy, auto, normal, and 60-minute speed cycles. And because this uses the Bosch Home Connect app, you can also set a favorite cycle, as well as use the remote start feature to start it from the app. Moving over, we have the options of sanitize and extra dry. And then moving over still, we have a time remaining indicator. So it goes anywhere from above 2 hours all the way down to when it's clean. This is a very handy button to have because this is so quiet. It's hard to tell when it's actually done. And then moving over, we have a light that comes on when the Wi-Fi is connected. We have a rinse aid light to let us know when it's time to refill it with rinse aid. And then a sanitize light to let us know when the dishes are sanitized. And we have our start and resume button. And this is only 46 decibels, so it is extremely quiet. And as we open up the door, right here we have our dispensers for our detergent, as well as our rinse aid. And then opening up the bottom drawer here, you'll see there are a couple of extra tines for some flexibility. Those can be locked up into place or lowered. And then we have a silverware basket that is removable, and it does have a top on it to hold your silverware in place if you choose to do that. And then as we go inside, you will see a filter back here that does need to be removed and cleaned out every probably month or so, depending on how often you're using the dishwasher, just to keep things smelling fresh and working properly. And then on the upper basket, not quite as much flexibility up here, but we'll still have space for a lot of dishes. And then over on the side, we do have some stemware holders, so you can lock those into place or close them. And this is also an adjustable upper basket, so we can lift it up to raise it, or we can push the paddles in and lower it if we need to. And then up on the top, we do have a third rack. And this is mainly for cutlery and silverware, but you can put other small dishes up here to be cleaned as well. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions on the Bosch 300 series dishwasher, make sure you leave them down in the comments or give us a call here at Abt. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.